Perched atop 10 hilltop acres, Pallazo Paraiso is an estate of exceptional grandeur, sophistication, and offers an unrivaled level of privacy. Perfectly designed for a lifestyle that embraces both intimate moments and grand-scale entertaining. Privately gated and secluded with spectacular panoramic vistas, enter through the oversized double wrought iron gate to an expansive and majestic drive up within the highest points within Anaqua Springs Ranch in Bourne, Texas. Step inside this exquisite villa and be greeted by walls of floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing for natural lighting to flood the interior. Moving along these luminous rooms, one takes in the spacious private loggias in each bedroom, the sparkling pools, and the majestic vistas beyond. Designed on a magnificent scale with soaring ceilings and verdant vistas, the interior is designed with exceptional materials, boasting wood-cased Pella windows, solid wood knotty alder wood built-ins, custom light fixtures, Venetian plaster, and custom wrought iron details throughout. Indulge in the resort-style outdoor paradise with a 2-tier infinity edge pool featuring hand-laid mosaic tile slide, pebble tech finish, dual oversized beach entry, and premier LED lighting.